welcome back to the channel. Aaron here with Simply New England Off-Road. I know it's been a bit since I have done a longer form video, been focusing mainly on the shorts lately for the Moto Minute campaign I am running, which is a question asked by someone in our CFMoto Everything group page. So we've got almost 13,000 members in there, and once or twice a week we get questions that come in, and it's from people that weren't necessarily raised on a farm or in a garage and know what they're really doing when it comes to off-road. Some mechanical questions, some very basic questions. But what it does is it gives them a forum to come in, ask questions, not be bothered by the trolls who for some reason have a problem anytime someone asks a question that they think is stupid. We won't go down that road, but those of you that are out there, you know who you are, keyboard warriors. So anyways, enough of that subject. If you want to join that group, all you've got to do is go ahead and go to this video description, and I will post a link in there to join the CFMoto Everything group. Okay, so obviously I'm back doing a long format video. So what is this video about today? Guys, I have received about 4 or 5 products from Kemimoto. These are going to be 4 or 5 products that are going to fit on the Z950, 2021 Z950s, 2022s, and 2023s. Okay? Definitely, if you want to look at these products, when you do go into the Kemimoto site, make sure that your machine is suitable for what I'm showing you today. All right, with that being said, here we go. So Kemimoto has sent me 2 of these storage bags, okay? So these storage bags here, this would be the L for the left, and then there's another one that I already put in the machine on the other side, and I'll show you that and what it looks like already installed, and then I'll show you quickly how easy these are to install. Let's just take a quick look. It's a nice waterproof bag. You've got the zipper down the front, which goes all the way in, and then you've got another one that's on the top, okay? You can see down in there, and then inside of there another pouch, so it's a double-sided pocket, and then again you've got the one here. Very nice material. It looks really nice. Got the nice logo on there. Nice zippers. Again, waterproof. It's got that double bonded mesh that's on here. Nice Velcro straps on the back. So overall, first impression, just taking them out of the box and seeing the quality of them, Kemimoto definitely has the quality right, because I'm definitely impressed with how this feels. It's not cheap at all. You can tell it's not going to tear easily. The material is very thick. It's like double, triple woven, you can tell. And then again, it's a waterproof bag. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to bring you on over to the machine, and I'm going to show you what one looks like already installed. Once we do that, I'll go over to the other side. I'll do a quick install. That way you can see how easy they are, and then you can take a quick peek at what they look like. Okay, so with that being said, guys, hold tight. I'm going to bring you over to the other side of the machine, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. All right, let me take you over here and show you what this looks like installed. So guys, this is the, as you can see here, that's the door when it's closed. So when you open it, the bag just sits snugly right in here. I mean, it's in there really solid. You can see here. Looks fantastic on the machine. Kemimoto has done an absolute great job in the design of this bag and how it fits the contours of these odd doors that are on the Z950. I think we can all admit they're a little odd, but it just straps right here, down here, comes right in through here, and again down and through here, and I didn't need any tools. I'm going to show you on the other side where I don't have one installed yet, how easy and how quick this is to install. It's going to probably take about, if I was to not do this video and just went from one to the other, 5 to 10 minutes at most. Very easy install, and extremely functional, because again, now I have the zippers in here, I have the zippers here, I can hold more stuff as a passenger, and then guys, don't forget in the previous video, I got this one from Kemimoto, and that one sits right in the middle. Same type of material, just everything is solid. Guys, again, I'm going to go over and install on this side and show you how easy that is, so just bear with me. Alright guys, so here I am coming around the other side. So now I'm on the driver's side. So what we'll do here is we'll open this door. Okay, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is. So you've got the bag right here. Okay, this is going to fit on this side, okay? So all you're going to do, the first thing you're going to do is just undo these here. Just take your Velcro, bring it through right here. Bring it to the other side of this. And then right up the door. There's that one. Same thing here. Bring this through. Wrap that through right here. Hopefully my hat's not in the way. And then you just adjust them. That's your first side, right there. Nice and simple. Okay, now here you see these here, okay? You don't have to undo these. Because what you're going to do is you're just going to bring this strap like this. Okay, bring it under. Right through to this other side. Just bring it through and out the other side. Okay, just pull that up there until it really starts to get taut on the bag, so it's on there nice. And then from there, all you're going to do, bring this right behind here, tuck this under, see how it goes right back underneath it. Bring it back through here. Same thing as before. Bring that right around as tight as you want it. Strap it on. This one here, down here, same thing. Just come around on the outside. Grab that piece up on the back side of it. There it is, it's in there. Come over here, run this back around. However you like it. And then Velcro it down. Alright, so that's it guys. So same thing as before. You got the storage right here, double pockets inside. You've got this here. So if you had some sodas, you want to put a soda in there, you know, whatever. It's out of the way of everything here. So you know, I wouldn't put anything overly fragile in this. But gloves, a hat, a scarf, whatever you're doing that day, a couple tools or something like that. Throw a sandwich in there, some snacks, whatever. Now you've got one and your passenger has one. So there's some extra storage that does not take up any of your space while you're driving. It's actually very well thought out, convenient storage. So guys, go ahead and check out the link to this product in the video description. I'm going to leave you one. And then of course make sure you also check out the other link and go check out Kemimoto. Kemimoto makes a lot of products, some things that you might not think that they make. From bags to storage to they have Kemimoto whips. There's just a lot of products on their site. I definitely challenge you to go check it out. And make sure you please, if you like the information, I've got more Kemimoto products coming to you in the coming weeks. Some really cool ones. This was the simpler install. And support the channel. Please just subscribe, support the channel. And Aaron here. I'll be back with you real soon. Keep your eye out for the Moto Minutes. And I will see you on the trails.